promised me that you would say the incident which happened few years back.
You really want to hear it?
Yes.
It's a story about teleportation and a ring. A boy who enters the dark forest in search of his father's lost ring using a hologram map. Day was getting darker and darker, filled with fear and distinct voices. He was getting dehydrated and the sun was about to settle down. He sat down and started navigating through his map, and the voices began to threaten more.
It's time to go.
On hearing the roar, he began to run, and on his path he meets the Guardian Ball. Guardian Ball warns the boy to go back and return home before the sun sets. As young minds never listen, young boy refuses. Guardian Ball continues his journey. As the sun sets, boy reaches his destination.
Ring must be somewhere here.
And then the magic starts.
That's my ring. That's my father's ring. I found my father's ring. It should work. It works. It works. My father will be very happy.
This place is my kingdom, and you not only enter my kingdom, you also stole my ring. No one dares to enter this kingdom. Ah, little boy, get up.
Yeah.
Ring will be always mine.
No, it belongs to my father. No,
Who was he?
he was one among them.
So you killed him?
No, he killed me.
Here's your reward.
So what was the conclusion?
Conclusion is yet to come.